Welcome to this private home with amazing views and endless potential. I'm Ryan Moyer, and today we're on 5 acres with a great house, plans for an ADU, and complete serenity. This single-level home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, vaulted ceilings, a 3-car garage, and views from every room. Now out here is really exciting. Where I'm standing, there's already plans to build the ADU of your dreams. The possibilities are endless, and this is something that you don't want to miss. Out here by the pool, we maintain total privacy, have quick access to the house, and overall, it's just a great place for entertainment. Private, peaceful, and packed with potential, this is a property that you don't come across often. I'm Ryan Moyer. Message me to see this property before it's too late.